God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so bored, there's like nothing to do. And I'm eating a meal. I don't know. What must we do when there's nothing to do? What must we do if there's nothing to do? And today I think I'm taking the decision to actually go and cancel my gym membership. Mm-hmm. I'm thinking of going to cancel it because the year has started. It is February and I've only been to the gym what? 3 times this year. And I thought that by now I'll give you guys also an update on what's going on with the toilet, but the uncles haven't come yet. I don't know where they are. There are flies in my room and they're so annoying. They're very annoying. But anyway, I'll give you guys an update on what's happening with the toilet, but for now, the uncles haven't come yet, so there's no update about the toilet or what's going on. I'm just happy everything is here because people were thinking that I ate the money. And I didn't. And the only thing I'm doing now is sitting and waiting for them to come, and they're not coming. I'm on TikTok. I'm watching Risa Tisa. Who the F Did I Marry? I feel like that should be a Netflix show. Hopefully somebody's gonna call her and make an offer because that girl deserves the world. I mean, everyone is watching her. It is a global series. Everyone is watching her. If you haven't watched her, that 50-part series on TikTok, and there's something wrong with you. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. You are missing out. Anyway, I am wearing something. Before y'all think I'm naked, I'm wearing something, okay? It's just hot today and there's nothing to do. I don't have to eat mealie. Shout out to my neighbor for the mealie. They grow this, so they gave my mom some. Mm-hmm. So good. My mom didn't plant anything this year, so and the chickens ate the things that she planted, so they never grew. So anyway, let me finish my meal. I don't know, but I like my gym. It's just that I don't have time to go. That's the thing. I don't have time. I wish that I had transport to go during the week, but such is life. Anyway, guys, welcome back to another vlog. Maybe I'll do my nails since there's electricity, and we can do my nails without tips. No? I'll think about it because I'm also lazy. This is like a lazy weekend. Like I don't want to do anything, but for my nails, I'll do something. And I have to do my hair also. But that's another story for another day, please. I twisted my hair. It's getting longer now, but not in a it's now at a weird length where I don't know what to do it, so it's fine also. Anyway, you guys, welcome back to another vlog. We will see what we're going to do this weekend. Like I don't have money, I have nothing. So we're gonna be at home. It's just gonna be a boring weekend. Alright, you guys. Welcome back to the vlog, by the way. I'm Charlotte Elise Williams, and we do faith, fitness, and lifestyle content. So, I hope you enjoy yourself, yeah? Let me eat my meal. Good morning, guys. We are on our way to town. I need to go buy a few things and also pay some bills. So, let's go to town and pay some bills and get my nails done. Hopefully today everything will work out. And also I need to buy hair piece so that I can plait my hair Sunday and just be cute for the next few weeks. But let's go. My goodness. I don't know if it's hot or cold because the weather keeps on changing. But I'm wearing my jacket and my striped dress with my new bag that I bought from Range the other day. Isn't this just pretty? The prettiest bag I've ever seen. Anyway, let's get a taxi and go to town. Guys, I'm just finished with paying all the bills. Now I'm going to go to do my nails. Oh my goodness, I hope that that lady is still at the shop because it's quite late now and I hope she doesn't have anything or anyone to do her nails. So yeah, let's go get our nails done. Oh my god. Hello. She has 3 more clients and then she can do my nails. Oh my god. But she does nice nails, so it's best if you wait. I don't know. What am I gonna do here in town whilst I wait? Because I can't just sit there and it's hot inside the salon. So, I don't know. Let's go find something to eat, I guess. Hello. I bought myself a slushy for now, so that I have something to drink while I wait.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. It is a Sunday morning, and we are about to get ready to go to church. I don't know if somebody like it. Okay, so it means I'm gonna go to church. Oh, it's already 8:30, and I'm thinking of going to church and then thereafter going to the gym. I want to see how I feel like when I go to the gym, because church you don't use your energy, so there's no excuse why I'm not in the gym. And it's March now. It's a new month. It's time for me to be in the gym at least 4 times. For at least once a week. At least once a week, because I'm not gonna lose another 2 kgs just sitting at home and doing nothing. So we need to go to the gym. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pack my bag for the gym and I'm gonna get ready to go to church. When I come back, I'll just go to the gym thereafter. Makes much more sense, yeah? I love my nails. My nails. You can't see them, I don't know why. They're bright. But anyway, I like the soft pink that you put on me. But let me get ready for church. And then I'm gonna force myself to go to the gym because I can't be paying, and the gym fee went up, so I can't be paying extra money for the gym and then still not go to the gym. It doesn't make sense, guys. Let's get ready for church. Hi guys, so I am done. I'm gonna wear this heels. Tell me this doesn't remind you of Jimmy shoe. One day is one day. We shall wear Jimmy shoe one day. Okay, these are bought at Range. They are so cute, and it's gonna match with my outfit because there's a little bit of like gold here, so I decided to wear gold earrings, even though this has silver in it, and my bag also has silver in it, but I just feel like the gold matches with this. And then I went with my nude pumps. Let me put them on. I look so cute. I wonder if I can get a picture, but in this day and age, it's probably not gonna happen. And then I'm gonna wear this bag again. I'm not gonna wear it crossed, but I'll just put it on like this. And yeah, you guys, we are ready for church. Let's go and worship the Lord. Let's go and worship the Lord. It's unfortunate because my Bible can't fit into this bag, so I'm just gonna have to carry my Bible, but let's go to church. Oh my goodness. Church is out and now I'm looking for a taxi to go back home. I'm thinking of going to the gym today. But I'm not sure. I think I just have to stop being lazy and just go to the gym. I can't believe they're school kids. I think they're matriculants that are at school. So I think since it's now gonna be exams time now, they're attending school. And taxi is going to town. Hopefully one will come soon. Anyway, the word of the day was Jonah. I think that scripture is something that they love to preach on. The message basically was about how we concern ourselves with things that God has instructed us to do, and we basically just continue to moan about things. We don't want to do the things that God has instructed us to do. We constantly, wanting God to basically take away what He has given us to do. The task that He has given us to do, we want to give it to somebody else. But we need to basically just do the task that God tells us to do with happiness, and do it with a full heart, because at the end of the day, God also looks at your heart when you do things for Him and when you do things that He instructed you on. So yeah, you guys, let us get a taxi. Here comes one. Hopefully he goes where I want to go. I'll see you guys in my next vlog, yeah? I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you enjoy the vlog and see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you.
Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God.